In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a video on Clipchamp easily. This is a straightforward process that will have you looping your favorite videos in no time. Before we get started, make sure you have access to Clipchamp and let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your browser and head to clipchamp.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and locate the sign in button, typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on that and choose the option to continue with Microsoft. This is a handy way to streamline your login process, especially if you use Microsoft for other services. Once you select this option, you'll be prompted to choose the Microsoft account you want to use. If everything goes smoothly, you should find yourself on Clipchamp's homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, look for the Create a New Video button. Clicking on this will guide you toward the video creation interface, which is where all the magic happens. Once you enter the video editor, the next thing you want to do is import the media you wish to loop. This can be done by clicking on the Import Media option, which will allow you to upload your video file from your device. With your video now uploaded, the next step is to drag and drop it onto the timeline. Simply click and hold your video file, then drag it toward the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Release it and it should snap right into place. This is where you begin to build the loop. Now to create the loop, you need to duplicate the video clip in the timeline. Place your cursor over the video clip, right click with your mouse, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Duplicate. Alternatively, you can simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D for a quicker approach. At this point, you've duplicated your clip, extending the video as many times as necessary to achieve your desired loop length. If you're looking to make any additional adjustments such as video speed, now is the time to do so. You can click on the speed option to adjust how fast or slow you want your video to play. For a noticeable effect, try adjusting it to high speed and see how it changes the dynamics of your loop. And there you have it. With these steps, you should have not only looped your video but also learned a couple of tricks for further customization. Export your video to save the newly created loop and you'll be ready to share it or use it as needed. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and don't forget to check out more of our content for other useful Clipchamp tips.